In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious coconut cookies recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1½ cup of coconut flakes, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a bowl, we're going to beat together the eggs, and the sugar until the sugar is completely dissolved. Add in the salt and the vanilla extract. Slowly add in the coconut flakes and mix until completely combined. Transfer this mixture into a piping bag. Pipe out medium-sized cookies onto a parchment paper-lined baking sheet. Bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Remove from the baking sheet and place on a cooling rack to cool completely. Once the cookies are completely cooled, transfer them to a plate. Our coconut cookies are complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.